Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Importance of Plants and Trees. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to start reading and understanding of the text. And before this, in Unit 6, I have taught you to predict story by looking at pictures in the text. Remember? So we are going to apply the same technique, and our today's SLO is again predict the story by looking at pictures in the text. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Luqman, verse 10, and we sent down water from the skies, and thus we cause every noble kind of life to grow on earth. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Rahim for all of us. So Allah is sending water, which is a basic, important and necessary thing for every life, every living thing. The way we cannot survive without water, likewise our plants. So who is taking care of our on earth plants? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking care. So this water is for every life to grow on earth. So beta, what we are learning from this verse, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking care of plants, and we should also, okay, because plants and trees are very important for us. Allah is taking care because they are important, and we should also take care. This is what we will learn in this lesson. So let's see what this lesson is. Before starting reading, you tell me importance of plants and trees. Look at the pictures, how plants are important. So the question is, do you have a lawn or garden at your home? Answer this question to your teacher and look at the pictures in the text and find out how plants are important. Tell to your teacher, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope by looking at the pictures, you could guess how plants are important. First of all, we get fruits from plants, birds live on plants, we enjoy the shade of plants, right? And we take vegetables, many type of fruits and everything. This is how plants are important for us, right? And let's see what other benefits of plants are. All of you open your book on page number 65. Listen carefully from the very first sentence I'm going to read. After me, you will read it. So here we go. We see plants growing around us. We grow them in our houses, schools, and in parks. Plants are useful for us. And useful means able to use, and they have benefits for us. So plants have many benefits for us. Plants give us fresh air that we breathe. We make furniture from the wood of the trees. So tell me, who makes our furniture by using wood? We take wood from plants, from trees, but who makes furniture? Do you know what is the name of that person? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, the person who makes furniture by using wood is called carpenter. Carpenter, okay. We sit under the cool shade of a tree on a hot day. So I'm stopping my reading over here. It's your time. Pause the video, read the text, and every one of you will read. And teacher kindly keep correcting the students wherever they need help for pronunciation. So pause the video, enjoy the activity of reading, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with the reading? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will list the describing words. So I have taught you about describing words. So you will make a list of describing words from this lesson. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice to predict a lesson by looking at the pictures. So what we have learned today, we learned to predict the story by looking at the pictures, and we achieved our SLO to predict the story by looking at pictures and the tags. So are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue and complete the reading of this unit. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.